Kingdom Fungi. It is the kingdom of multicellular heterotrophic decomposers. For example, yeast, muco, agaricus, etc. These heterotrophic may be saprophytes or parasites. A fungus occurs in soil, air, water, and parasitic on plants as well as the animals. These are non-chlorophyllous organisms. Their body consists of hypha. They are unicellular, for example, yeast, which is used to make bread and beer. Cell wall of fungi consists of chitin and polysaccharides. Fungi make symbiotic association with algae in lichens. Fungi reproduce by fragmentation, fission, budding, conidia, and sexually by oospores, zygospores, ascospores, and basidiospores, etc. Spore-producing bodies are known as the fruiting bodies. These are spore-producing achlorophyllous organisms like mildew, rhizopus, muco, rusts (fungi), morels, and mushrooms. Some fungi cause diseases. For example, rust is caused by Puccinia, the smut is caused by Ustilago, penicillium produces antibiotic.